Hi guys, welcome to your first ever push-up. I'm going to teach you how to do your first ever push-up. Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. This is the beginner's guide. What you want to do is grab a nice mat or maybe a pillow or something just to save your knees. So how we're going to do this is we're going to get on our knees. Okay? Once you're on your knees, you want to get down into like a dog position. Like this, okay? Let your feet out and just relax. Your hands should be a comfortable width apart. There is no right way apart from don't go too far in, don't go too far out, okay? Comfortable shoulder width apart. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna slowly go forward, okay? Until we're still comfortable. We should be feeling comfortable. Right, we're going to lift our feet up and just cross our legs. So we're on our knees. Keep the back straight, okay? Because you're beginners, you won't be able to do a push-up straight away. So how to build the strength is, hold it like this for maybe 10 seconds and go down very slowly. So down, 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 and stop. Okay, you won't have the strength to push up. Then get back up. So put your elbows down, put everything down and get back up. Go back into the position again. Same setup and do 10 reps. So we'll do 3 sets. You might not even be able to do 3 sets if I'm honest because your chest won't be strong enough. So stick to 10 reps and then slowly work your way to 3 reps. Did I just say 3 reps there? So 10 reps, 3 sets. So let's do it again. Ready? Watch. Forward again, legs up, back straight, and just go down. Slowly and down, and then back up, and then back into position, and then do it again until you do 10. So count to 10 times, or as many times as you can do, just to build your strength. And go down again, and back. Okay, so that is the basic beginner's way to do a push-up. So basically, once you've mastered that, this is the basic push-up. So what you're going to do, you're going to go back into that position. Now, you will have strength to be able to do that. And then we do a basic push-up. So once you've built your strength to do this, then you'll be able to do this. Ready? You go down and up. Down and up. Okay, and that is a basic push-up. Keeping the back straight, and you go down and up. So yeah guys, I hope that helps you do your first ever push-up. So that is how you do your first ever push-up. Comment below when you've done it. I hope that helps. Hope that builds your strength, chest, arms, wherever. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.